Hey guys, these 7 US stocks are making massive dollar moves, and smart traders are watching them closely. So, first off, let me ask you, are you one of those smart traders? Because if you're not, you might just be losing out on your chance to making thousands of dollars every day. I mean, people are making a lot of money online from the stock market, and these stocks are creating millionaires every day. Exactly, every day. And the good thing is, it doesn't matter what your trading style is, whether you are day trading, swing trading, or you're just watching the market. These are stocks with serious momentum. So I have scanned the markets and handpicked this week's top performing US stocks with high volatility and dollar volume. So try your best to stick around till the end, and I'll show you how to find these moves early and avoid the formal traps. If this is your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Rika, your trading and investing coach, and on this channel I teach you how to build wealth and gain financial freedom through trading and investing in the financial market. So if you know you want to learn more trading tips, strategies, and get weekly market insights, then you can hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video, so you don't miss out on any new update or videos that I post. And you can also give a thumbs up to like and share and help this video get at least 1000 likes. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first on our list this week is Hims and Hers Incorporation with ticker symbol HIMS, and it is currently sitting at $58.68. So Hims is a fast-growing telehealth platform that is known for their direct-to-customer telehealth services. And with a market cap of over $13 billion and a beta of 2.90, that should tell you it is a highly volatile stock. HIMS is a low price stock that has increasing institutional interest, and it usually trends on strong earnings. And because of the growing consumer health market as well, this stock keeps moving big. In the last 30 days, its average volume recorded was 42 million daily, and its average day range was 7.44%, moving between its lows and highs at an average of $3.80 daily. And if you go to the chart, in the past week, its price increased by over 25%, moving from a low of $46.95 to a high of $59.16. And that is a difference of $12.21. That is a big move that can change your lives within just 5 days. And HIMS is due to release its earnings reports on the 3rd of August, so we are anticipating increased volatility as this may drive the price to go in either direction, up or down. So you guys just watch out for breakout levels and spikes in volume around the time of its earnings release. However, let me quickly put out this information and share with you guys. So currently, HIMS is facing a class action lawsuit filed by investors. So the plaintiffs claim that HIMS misled shareholders about its financial health and business. They were concerned specifically about their practices related to fulfilling patients' prescriptions and regulatory compliance, and they believe these are issues that could affect their long-term profitability and their reputation. And as expected, after the lawsuit was made public, the stock took a hit and it raised red flags for retail investors. And if you may be wondering why I'm telling you all this, is because what this whole thing means is that if you're considering holding HIMS, you need to know that the lawsuit could create both volatility and buying opportunities. So you have to be cautious, at least until more facts unfold in court, okay? Next on the list is Robinhood with the ticker symbol HOOD, currently sitting at $106.77. We had Robinhood on our list last week, and it still comes up this week as it is still moving big and showing strong price action. This retail trading app with increasing user growth is gaining traction again because of its crypto services and updates on its platform. And with Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, there's a lot of buzz surrounding crypto. So this has increased activity on the platform and now it's back on many watch lists. And in the last 30 days, its average volume was 49 million daily and its average day range was 5.14%. That is between its daily lows and highs. And in dollar terms, it moved up and down an average of $4.73 daily. And if you look at the chart, in the past week, it moved from a low of $98.75 to a high of $106.38. And that is an increase of 7.69% and over $7 move in value. This is yet another big move. And with a good entry strategy, you can make some good money on this play. Robinhood is expected to report its earnings for the second quarter of 2025, that is next week, Tuesday, the 29th of July. And so we anticipate the market to rally. And you can see that it is currently moving in an uptrend. Even when it pulled back to retest this previous resistance and broke below the 200 EMA, which is here, it seems to be maintaining position above the 200 EMA. So just watch out for trend continuation above the moving averages. With these stocks, you can grab several dollars and make a lot of money from each move in a few minutes. For day traders, all you need is 30 minutes per day. And if you wish, you can trade for longer hours as well. In my one-on-one coaching, I teach and show you how to use different strategies to trade these stocks. I provide details on day trading in general, stop losses, position sizing, when not to trade, and some entry and exit methods. So if you want to join my one-on-one coaching program, you can click the link below in the description. Okay? So stay with me, guys. The next one is Supermicrocomputer Incorporation with the ticker symbol SMCI, and it is currently sitting at $60.05. Now, this AI infrastructure giant continues to be a beast in dollar range with big intraday ranges, and this makes it very ideal for active traders. I mean, AI news is everywhere, and with so much buzz around AI stocks remain hot, and this has got a lot of people interested in this stock. Its shares rose by 7.2% recently, and this is because investors are optimistic about the performance of this company because of strong demand in the AI sector, and most especially with its earnings report, which is due for release on August 5th. Its average volume in the last 30 days was 40 million daily, and with an average daily range that is between its lows and highs of 4.63% and a dollar value range of $2.22 daily. This stock continues to make impressive moves and gains for traders. And let's go to the chart to see that in the last 5 days, its share price moved from a low of $48.86 to a high of $54.55. That is an increase of more than 11% and $5.67 in dollar value. And this is how SMCI moves every day. It is one stock that will make you a lot of money if you ride well with it. And you can see it has broken through this key level of resistance here. So it will likely pull back to retest this level before moving up higher. So watch out for momentum trades after it pulls back. And just like last week, we also have Tesla on the list this week with ticker symbol TSLA, and it is currently sitting at $325.59 per share. Tesla is a leader in the electric vehicle sector and has been made a trader's favorite. Yes. And with a lot of news on its deliveries, the China's EV market, and the way Elon Musk moves in the business world, has brought even more volatility to this stock. And with Tesla's deal with Samsung for next generation A16 chip production in Texas, I mean, it's no surprise Tesla is on the list this week, and well, has always been, because Tesla stock is highly volatile. It runs wild in either direction, up or down. Tesla moves up or down an average of $10 daily. and even more than $10 on other days, but on average it moves at least $10 more or less every day. And in the last 30 days, its average volume was 102 million and has moved up and down between its lows and highs at an average of 3.72% and at a dollar value of $11.96 daily. And if you go to the chart, you will see that in the last 5 days, Tesla experienced a pullback of over 11%, with the price moving from this high of $338.88 to this low of $300.41. Now, that is a difference of over $38, and this is a lot of money being made for traders who short or trade options buying puts. So buying a put option is when a trader believes the price of the stock will drop before a set expiration date and sells the stock within a specified time. So traders can make money on either direction, whether the price is going up or it's going down. So guys, you can make a lot of money from Tesla alone if you play it well. So watch out for breakout at key levels and confirm that the breakout comes with huge volume before you buy, okay? And also making it to the list from last week is Palantir Technology with ticker symbol PLTR, and currently it is sitting at $158.51 in pre-market session. Palantir is a favorite stock for retail investors and institutions, and what keeps this stock moving is its contract majorly from the US government to provide AI-driven data analytics software and the general buzz with AI. And in the last 30 days, it has done an average volume of 69 million. Its average daily range in the last 30 days was 3.71%, moving between its lows and highs, and an average dollar value of $5.26 daily. And if you look at the chart, in the past week, it moved from a low of $145.06 to a high of $160.38, making over a 10% increase and a huge move up of $15.35 in dollar value just within 5 days. And this stock is currently trending upwards, so watch out for bullish momentum above key levels. The next on the list is Advanced Micro Devices with ticker symbol AMD and currently sitting at $176.40 per share in pre-market session. AMD is one stock to watch, especially amid the AI chips wars, because it makes big moves and reacts well to news. With an average volume of 55 million daily and an average day range of 3.41% and $4.83 in dollar value in the last 30 days, this stock is definitely moving big bucks. And if we go to the charts, we can see that in the past week, the price has risen by over 11%, moving from this low of $149.60 to this high of $167.17. That is an increase of $17.67 in the space of 5 days. And you can see it is clearly in an uptrend as it is trading above the 200 EMA, making higher highs and higher lows. And see how it has broken key levels of resistance. It looks like it's heading towards $180 to $200 because currently there's a lot of news about AI, and so a lot of people are watching and are interested in this stock. And this seems to be driving the price upwards. And since AMD is due to release its earnings on the 5th of August, so let's watch out for breakouts during its earnings release, which will likely push the price further upwards. And again this week, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google, with ticker symbol GOOGL, and currently sitting at $192.25 in pre-market session. So after a federal judge ruled in August 2024, accusing Google of having monopoly in search services and text advertising, and expecting some remedies by August 8, 2025, this has attracted interest from a lot of investors. So you see Google making breakout moves. In fact, as it is now, Google seems to be heading towards its resistance of $200, and analysts expect the price to even go above $207. They have gone as far as predicting a target price of $280 by mid 2026. And when this happens, this will be an excellent winner for long-term investors and traders as well, because that will be a huge move and millions of dollars into your pocket. So in the last 30 days, Google did an average daily volume of 39 million and an average day range of 2.3%, moving between its daily lows and highs at an average of $4.13 daily in dollar value. And let's go to the chart again and see that in the last 5 days, Google's price rose by 7.23% from its low of $184.53 to its high of $197.89, increasing by $13.33 within just 5 days. It is also currently trending upwards and maintaining its position above the 200 EMA, making higher highs and higher lows. So watch out for more institutional activity, which can lead to it expanding its current range and hitting the predicted target. And there you have it. This week's top US stocks making big dollar moves and high percentage jumps. If you're a trader looking for momentum, these stocks should definitely be on your watch list. And if you want to learn how to get the perfect entry strategy, you can click the link below to join my one-on-one coaching program. So you all let me know in the comments which of these stocks you're watching or trading this week. I'll read every comment and reply to as many as I can. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss weekly market picks and trading strategies that work. And in my next video, I'll show you how to find these big movers early before the crowd jumps in. So stay tuned. Thank you all so much for staying and watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.